I'm in the Niagara Park right now, walking a little bit closer to the falls, and there's the United States right over there. Okay, so before getting into this video's featured content, I just wanted to say thank you to my very first video sponsor. My dad unknowingly sponsored this video, and he made this opportunity happen for my mom and I. This is our 2021 mother-daughter trip, and I just want to say thank you for always supporting me. For our 2021 mommy-daughter trip, we decided to go to Niagara Falls in the great state of New York. Every year we visit a brand new destination. We even have shirts to prove it. But this time, it's going to be our first time getting to experience the Maid of the Mist, Whirlpool jet boat tours, as well as all the turnpikes and tolls leading to the destination we're at today. The Maid of the Mist is a ferry that takes you up close and personal with all three falls. There's a similar ferry on the Canadian side as well. The falls are named the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and the very famous Horseshoe Falls. Though, be prepared to get a little wet, and know that ponchos are provided free of charge. Wow! Just 20 minutes downstream of Niagara Falls, you'll find Whirlpool jet boat tours. With both dry and wet tours offered, you'll experience Class 3, 4, and 5 rapids that call the Niagara River home. Now, remember when I said you'd get a little wet on the Maid of the Mist? Be prepared to get soaked on the jet boat if you take the wet tour. For over 45 minutes, you'll take a guided tour into international waters between the United States and Canada. For passenger safety and by law, all passengers are required to wear a Coast Guard approved flotation device, commonly known as life vests. Seeing the power of the rapids was incredible. I can swim, but I may have tightened my life jacket a little bit more at the sight of those rapids. It would be a really good idea to bring a change of clothes if you take the wet tour, and this is why.
Oh, that is what the bonus one is. Come Looking good, looking good. After that final bonus one.
After a full day at Niagara Falls and all of the surrounding state parks, it is time to eat, and obviously in Buffalo, you come to the original. You come to where they invented the chicken wing. We're here at Anchor Bar, and I'm going to order a bologna sandwich because I don't eat wings, but my mom is going to taste test those wings. The Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York is coined to be the first restaurant to serve chicken wings in 1964. Did you know that fried wings were just a regional food served in the local areas surrounding New York? It wasn't until the 1980s that it gained nationwide popularity.